Cool thing, don't you think? I think these are hilarious. Hilarious. Amazon product research. This is helium-10. So according to helium-10, that's that product right at the very top. That is a product that's making $146,000 per month. Sales of just under 150 grand per month. Now, let's keep in mind it's December. So, you know, this is an awesome Christmas present. I would personally love to get those for Christmas. I think that's hilarious. But it's Christmas. It's a good Christmas present. So, you know, it's not the case that I think these make 150 grand every single month. But certainly right now, holy shit, that's a lot of sales they're making, okay? So I then thought, well, I wonder what they'd buy them for. So sell at 20, remember. So I just had a very, very quick look on Alibaba. And I can find them for $3.23 a pair with a minimum of 5 pairs as my order. Well, that's kind of interesting. But if I look at who's selling it, Ningbo Joyansi International Trade, so that's a trading company, so screw those guys. So $3.23 a pair is actually expensive. So let's just continue on. So here I'm at $2.98 a pair. Here I'm at $1.80 a pair for 20 pairs minimum order. And again, trading company, okay? So I'm already at $1.80 buying them from a trading company, which suggests if I can find the factory, I can probably get that down to around about $1 a pair, something like that, okay? Anywhere anymore? I reckon if I was in this, that would be my target. $1 per pair, find the factory that sells them, order directly rather than going to a trading company, okay? So that's kind of interesting. Buy for $1, sell for $20. Great. Well, these guys are clearly cleaning up. But what about elsewhere? What about elsewhere? So the very, very simple thing to do to check if they're selling anywhere else is just to take the URL, so amazon.com/DP, and just change it to another marketplace code like Amazon DE for Germany. If it ain't there, then that product is not selling on that marketplace. Let's try, is it selling in Australia? Ain't selling in Australia either, that specific product. What about in France? Nope, it ain't selling in France. Looks like they're just targeting America. I love these kind of country arbitrage opportunities. UK? Nope, not selling in the UK either. What about Canada? Surely in Canada. No, not in Canada either. Okay, so they're only selling the product in the good old US of A, which is interesting, yeah? Which is interesting. So you aren't going to be competing with the #1 brand on Amazon, who's going to be able to take all of those reviews with them onto other marketplaces. You're not competing with that. So that's them instantly out of your competition just by selling somewhere else, There are ludicrous amounts of opportunities just like what I've just shown you all over the place, selling insanely well in one marketplace, not selling anywhere else. Thousands of opportunities like that, thousands of them, okay? So that's kind of cool. 147,000 a month, Christmas gift. This is kind of something fun to get into for the next Christmas gift. I like that. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. $50 million, holy crap. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own e-commerce business too, get off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. And thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.